why should DevOps care about cloud cost? Any challenges monitoring cloud cost?
Right. So when we talk about DevOps, what does that essentially mean? That's developer operations. Essentially, when you deploy your applications or you develop your applications, the operations that are required to run it smoothly. And with all this modern tooling and technologies, IAC and dynamic environments, this provision of the infrastructure for your application has really become an agile process and a dynamic process. And this is sort of worsened by the fact that there are multiple environments that your code runs in. There is dev environments, test environments, staging environments. And if you don't pay attention to what you're actually building as part of your DevOps pipelines, your costs can quickly balloon up and they can just go skyrocket, right? There are things that people do to actually embed the steps that you need to take to control your costs. It's also sometimes referred to as FinOps, as in operations for your financials. It involves long-term solutions, for example, forecasting, and medium to short-term like budgeting, monitoring, and having insights into the environment that you're actually running in. So all of these operations relating to what essentially contributes to your cost insights, monitoring, and reduction, they're collectively also known as FinOps. But from a DevOps point of view, we have to create a culture where essentially this is embedded into the part of the building solution itself.